There are some new candles now available at Dollar Tree, but I don't know. I'm going to try to smell these, but I don't know what the throw is like. I don't typically buy their candles. It's one thing that, oh, look how sweet these are. Look at the little rainbow. Super cute. Just candles are, I think I've bought 2 or 3 candles just because the jars were super cute. And I thought I could repurpose them, but they're definitely not something I typically invest in at Dollar Tree. Do you buy candles at Dollar Tree? I just don't find their throw might go that far. These are cute magnets. So these are newer at Dollar Tree. They look like they come as one piece. They're not, you know how they had the build your own little sets, similar to Lego. Oh, I wonder if these are light up. Does anyone know if these work? They look like they light up, but it doesn't say anything on the box. Right, so back to home decor. I think these are so cute with the little prints. And they have, oh, this one's a little amber one. I like this one. I hadn't seen these anywhere else. I just don't know what I would use them for, but it comes with a little metal decal too. All right. Oh, this stuff I love for DIYs, which I meant to do something for Easter and I never got around to it, but I did do the fall wreath and I think it turned out really pretty. I'll put it down below so you can see what I'm referring to. I can't remember, but one of you had asked that I film all the picture frames and such, so it kind of repeats itself here. I hope it gives you some idea of what's available in store. I want to take a look at, oh, here's some more home decor. They always have new things that catch my attention. I do love the little wooden houses for Christmas to do some sort of transformation with them. They have a lot of wreath making items. They have some new piggy banks. These are awesome. You can do some really cute DIYs with them. Even like an advent calendar. These would be great for water paints. I have a couple cute dishes, so even just for resting your paintbrush. I'm tempted, but I don't need any more. Probably one of my favorite home decor pieces are the little clouds and stars and moons. This specific Dollar Tree is always so, oh my goodness, these are back. I love, oh, this is new too, right? Yes, it is. Okay, so they always have, somebody was looking for the bumblebees, so here they are. This store always has the nicest ribbon selection. That's one thing I have to say. I don't know if they get picked over as fast or they just stock better. I don't know, but they always have a great selection. These are cute too. You can use them for your sponge at the sink. You don't have to plant anything in them. So these are different. There's one that's flat and textured. I'm not sure if it's coming through on the screen. And here's another box filled with black. Oh my goodness, it's funny because we were all transforming their colorful mason jars to like a chalkboard, and here they are now. If only we had these a few years back, Dollar Tree, because they were so popular, but it is what it is. Let's take a look down. I wanted to see what other storage they have. These are actually quite nice. Nice and safe for the patio. You don't have to worry about broken glass cups or anything like that outside. But I do want to take they have the tumbler size. That's a good size. Take a look at the storage containers here. I'm looking to see if they have any more like of the dark navy blue. Oh, I like this. I actually like this color a lot. And it's safe for the kids to have like some popcorn or chips outdoors. These are new, aren't they? Yeah, they are. The store has such a great selection. That's one thing I have to say. Look at this. Another nice color. By the way, this is the new blue and white floral print this year. There was a different print last year. And they have the lemon, sunflowers as well here. Very well stocked. They just don't have any more of the blue and white dishes. They have the teal. That's really popular last year. Let's take a look at, I always like looking at what's available in this section, which is the glassware, but just for like pantry storage or sometimes even in my craft room. These are cute. I don't think I've ever noticed those before. They used to have some that look like cacti. No way. I was looking for St. Patrick's Day stickers way back in February, March. Couldn't find them, and here we are in May. Anyways, it is what it is. But these are pretty. You can tell that they're new because they still have the elastic band even wrapped around them. Or maybe they're preventing them from falling because they probably fall all the time. I like these ones as well. The enamel dots. They have such a great selection. They even have all the clear ones along the bottom here. I wonder, these hearts are so cute, but I keep putting them back. I saw them pop up in a different store, and then I passed on them because I thought, I'll just cut my own paper. By the way, these little photo albums are a fantastic buy, and you can easily transform them into like your paper craft, like a stuffed mini album. These are pretty. Oh, they just have so many great options. So these kits are really great if you're just getting into collecting paper. They have a great variety, different textures, some glitter, some just flat papers. So take a look for that. They have a ton of Crafters Square aftermarket, I guess, or like a Cricut wannabe. These are Brad's, by the way. They do have a lot of supplies here, really well stocked. Foam, sticker, adhesive, rope, beads, just any type of really activity or hobby you want to take on. Such a beautiful new alphabet beads right now. I was looking for the hoop ones. They're like a slice effect, but I don't see any. These are really pretty as well. They almost look like they're rubber, and they have that color. Does anyone have any ideas on how to use these little wood pieces or shapes? I bought the hearts, and they're just so darn cute. See there, I have some that are already painted for you. You see these? Aren't they the sweetest? They're not beads. I don't even know what to do with them. I just gravitated towards them, of course, and had to buy them. And now I don't know what to do with them. Lately, Dollar Tree has the best selection when it comes to these faux signs. Like, they look like wood, but they're MDF. And you can just easily paint them. They have these. I bought one of those recently. Have to work it into a DIY. Check these out. Oh, that's so awesome. You can paint them, attach them to a larger piece of wood. Look at all the paint options. I know some of you guys say that you don't have very much paint. When it comes to sharing books, most of the stores I visit are a little bit of a hot mess, I'll be honest with you. And it's not encouraging at all to go through books. But here, this store, look at this. So organized. It makes it actually enjoyable to go through and find something. I know some of you appreciate seeing the kid books. I don't even want to make a mess of what they have here. So these are some of the titles on the binding. I hope it helps a little bit. We'll go through the coloring books. They have some really great finds. Coloring books here. I think this one is new. The pages are really thin though. I'm not a fan of very thin pages. However, I think thin pages would be great for wood burning if you're transferring an image onto a piece of wood. So I don't know. Let me know. Thicker or thin pages for wood burning as a transfer. This is a really neat idea because these are mouse pads, but they're also paper pads. So it's 2 in 1. You make a list and kind of tear off the page, but you still have a mouse pad. Anyways, that's an idea there. I definitely am looking for the mild liners, but haven't found any. So I'll just go through the stationery with you. They're made by Zebra and they're just highlighters. Some new notebooks here. Oh, these stationery sets, yep. I've seen them before. This here I haven't seen. Oh, I like this. Nice blank pages, which I like, and they're nice and thick. I'll grab one of them. This is cute. It looks like it is an accordion type organizing system. Great for if you're a cash type budgeter or for stashing your receipts or coupons. No mild liners. I think that's what they're called. Midliners or mild liners, I forget. This is a nice little organizer as well. They always have a great selection of pens, and they typically all work well, especially the clicks. They're actually really great. I want to take a look and see if there's any little hardware things here. Sometimes they have some new finds, and I know that some of you like to see what's available here, especially for your car. Like, look at this, Armor All for detailing your car. You're going to pay a lot more somewhere else. Someone was asking for magnetic list pads, so they do have some again, but not all the stores. I haven't found them everywhere, so here are some options, but usually now around spring and then back to school you'll start to see them. These are really cute and can be easily transformed as well in the paper craft department. I love the variety of Dr. Seuss items that Dollar Tree has recently been carrying. Oh, look, they have calendars with Peppa Pig. It's a gratitude journal. Oh, I'm gonna have to grab one of these. So you always find something interesting, even amongst messes. There's Transformers. And you can turn these into, if you want to decorate, look at this, Sesame Street. You can decorate these in frames and hang them in a kid's bedroom. Like, how nice would that be? You don't have to pay a lot of money. You can grab some frames from Dollar Tree and then just put them in. Oh, I'm knocking things over. It's a problem with these grids sometimes. So, and this is, you buy one and you take it apart. You buy a few frames. You can have a stand-up one on a table or a dresser, and then you can hang some on the walls. I think that's super cute and so cost effective. And kiddos, they change their mind. Like, they grow up so fast and they go through these, like they'll go through this and then they like one specific character, and then next year or next month they like a different character. So, aha, here's some more. All right, I'm going to go through these, and I have to pick a couple because I think these are so well done and a perfect little gift. One of a kind. So awesome. So out of all of them, I think I like the one that I found down in the mess below. So just the gratitude journal is fine. In the store for over an hour, so I will share some more store footage with you. But until next time, everyone, bye for now.
The more that I've tried, all the years that I've wasted trying to find it, all that I go through for my peace of mind, let it all go out the window, no smoke in my eyes, I can hear the wind chiming, it's always been you in the back of my mind. Early blue morning, when everything's cold, I see you running, all covered in gold. There's nothing else that eases my soul. I let it all go out the window, no smoke in my eyes, I can hear the wind chiming, it's always been